63 minus, first we have to remove bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes, we have to remove brackets. So brackets lo again we have to follow order. First parenthesis, then curly brackets, then square brackets. So 63 minus, inside of the curly brackets we have to remove this one first. So 4 into 15. Is it okay this step? Okay. 63 minus 4 into 15, how much? 15 4s are 60. Yes. Next one we have to remove curly bracket. So that's why curly bracket remove chesta, we got inside we have multiplication. 60 we got. So then we can subtract. 3 is the answer. Okay now? So in this manner you have to do. And the next one is 27 divided by curly brackets 8 plus 20 divided by 5 minus 3. So this one we have to do. Here curly bracket. So in this also brackets we have. Inside of the bracket again we have parenthesis bracket we need to do. So 27 divided by 8 plus, yes, inside of the parenthesis also again different operations we have. So in that division first or else subtraction first, in this order. Subtraction is last, division in the first only. Yes, we have to do division first. 20 divided by 5, how much? 4. Yes, 4. First we have to do this one. So 4 we got from this, minus 3. Again we have to do inside of the parenthesis. So 8 plus 4 minus 3, how much? 1. Yes, 1 is equals to 27. So inside of the curly bracket we have to do the operation. This one we have to do. 8 plus 1, 9. So 27 divided by 9, how much? 3 is the answer. Okay now? Are you getting clarity? Next one is 2 minus 3 minus, inside of the parenthesis, inside of the curly bracket we have braces. Inside of the square bracket we have braces, and inside of that again we have parenthesis like this. So in this first we have to remove bar none. This one we have to remove the next step. So 2 square bracket 3 minus curly bracket 6 minus 5 minus, we have to remove this bar. 4 minus 3, how much? 1. Yes, next step we have to do this one. This one we have to do. So 2 minus 3 minus curly bracket 6 minus 5 minus 4, how much? 5 minus 1, 4. So inside of this we have. So again we have to close this one. And the next one is equals to 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4, how much? We have to remove this one next. So 2 will get a, so next we have to remove this one. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, is it okay? Clear only? So in this manner we will get 1. So next one I will give you 8 minus 4, 10 minus 8 minus 16 divided by 2 and close that curly bracket. Here also parenthesis are first, parenthesis operation you have to do. Okay, adi first one. And the next what we have to do? 8 minus 4. Here 10 minus 8, how much? 2. Yes, minus 16 divided by 2, or else afterwards you do nothing will happen. First parenthesis remove cheyali kada. So 8 minus, here 4 to the 8 we have to do, because ఈ parenthesis తీసేయాలంటే first we have to multiply. So 8 minus 16 divided by 2, how much? 8 only na? 16 divided by 2. 8 will get. So that's why here we got 8 minus 8, how much Nana? 0. So what is the answer here? 8 is the answer. Okay? 8 minus 8, 0. So I will get 8 minus 0. Here already we have 8. Inside of the curly brackets we got 0. 8 minus 0 means 8 is the answer here. So in that manner we have to do like that. Okay now? 8 minus 16 divided by 2 means 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. So finally we got 8 in that manner. So ila cheyali. And one more thing I want to tell you, perfect numbers. Perfect numbers 6 nana. And again 28 is also perfect number. These are the perfect numbers. At that day we have checked about these perfect numbers. Perfect number means, what is the definition? The number which is equal to the sum of its factors. The number which is equal to the sum of its factors. Yes. And we will check for these all. These all are perfect numbers. We can check. For 28 we can check. So 28 is perfect or not, we have to check. 1 into 28, yes. 2 into 14. And 4 into 7. 7 into 4. 14 into 2. Yes. And the last one is 28 into 1. We have to exclude this one. Yes, excluding itself. Dani exclude chesi, remaining all factors we have to add. These all we have to add, all factors. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. How much, Nana? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. So, 28 is perfect number. Is a perfect number. So like that we can write. The next one is, these all you should remember, perfect numbers. 4. First 4 perfect numbers are these only. 496 we have to do next. So for this also we can prove like this. But long one we cannot. So next one, 12 is semi-perfect number. Okay na? Semi-perfect. And find out the prime factors of the following numbers. Find prime factors we have to find. So playing with numbers is most important, Nana. You should understand. The whatever the problems we have discussed before, those also important. Yes. DMOS. And find out the prime factors of 64. How can we find prime factors of 64? By doing this. Yes. Like this. Division. So 2 3s are. Is this okay for you? Can you able to do the problems like this? 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So we can write this one as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. So 64 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. So we can write like this. Okay? We can write like this. Next one. Can you try these now? These type of problems can you try? 2520 you do like this and say the prime factors of this. 2520 you do now. You try to do in your notebook. Try to do. Show your book. Phone is also there with you. From 2 you logged in. Okay, try to do in your notebook. And say the prime factors to me. Prime factors you say. Your practice is most important. You will be very active. Then only you'll get clear idea on this. Are you doing? Yes, say the prime factors of 2520 now. 2 into 2. 2520. 2520. 2 into 3 times only. Into 3. Into 3. Into 3, okay. Into 5. Into 7. Okay, into 7. That's it. That much only. Okay, na? That much only you'll get. Next, for 40, you say, Nana, for 40. Without seeing in your book, you say. Are you referring homework book? No? Class work unda ni daggara? You are doing na? Okay. For 40, you say, Nana. 40, you say now. 40. 2 into 2. Yes, into 2. Direct also we can say that for 40 we can write very easily. 40 is equals to 2 into 2. Into 2 into 5. Very good. Yes, we can say tree like also we can write 40. See, here we can write 40 as 8 into 5. Yes, 8 into 5. And again 8 as we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 we can write 8 as. And this one is into 5. So like that we can write factor tree we can draw like this. Okay. Very good. Next one for 54 you say Nana 54. 54. 2 into no 2 2's ravu Nana. 1 2 only will comes. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 Nana. This much only. Why? Because 27. 2's 2 into 27 kada. Again 27 we can write as 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. 3 emo 3 times. So 2 one time will get. So in that manner we can find out the prime factor. Next one is 728 you do. 728. 728. For this you say. 2 table with 2 table. See, 2 3 are 6. Yes, 1 is the remainder. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 8. Next one is with again 2 table will take means 2 1s are 2. 1 is the remainder. 2 8 are 16. 2 2s are 4. Next with 2 table. 2 9s are 2 1s are. Yes. Next one is with 7 table we can do 7 1s are 7 3s are 13. 7s are 91. Yes. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 13. So we can write like this. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 Nana. Then with 7 table into 7 into 13. We can do like this. Is it okay for you? Next one is about 1225. 1225 you do. With 5 table we can do first. Yes, because in the last digit we have last digit of number of this number is 5. So 5 2s are 10, 2 is the remainder, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Again with 5 table we can do 5 4s are 20 and the next one is 5 9s are 45. 7 7s are 49. So what is the answer Nana? 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. This is the perfect square. Yes. Why? Because root of 1225 is equals to 5 into 7 we can write directly. 35 is the 35 square is 1225. So 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. 2 times 7 undi, 2 times 5 undi. So that's why it is a perfect square. Yes. Did you got this one? Say for 1000 we can write as factor tree. 1000 we can write as factor tree. So 10 into 100. What Nana? Big number? You can take, but only prime numbers we have to take. Prime numbers. Because we want to write as prime factors kada. Prime factors laga rayal kada manamu. Product of prime factors we have to write. So only prime numbers. Big number that should be prime number. Okay na? If big numbers you have to take 2, 3, 5, 7 rather than that 13, 11. Those are also we can take sometimes here. కొన్ని numbers కి మాత్రం big numbers వస్తాయి like that. So here 10 into 100 I am writing and again 10 into 10 I am writing, 5 into 2 and 5 into 2 I am writing. So in that manner we can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this one is 10 cube. That's why we'll get 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So for 1000 we'll get the prime factors like this. Okay. And that LCM you are getting or not? Division method and prime factor method. LCM you are getting and some more problems I want to show you from that and these what I sent you yesterday. Those problems only. You are not getting screen now. Screen I will present. Okay na? I will present now. So these problems you have to do. See Nana here In your exercise only, find the least number which is exactly divisible by, find the least number which is exactly divisible by, 14, 21, 24 and 42, Nana. Which is exactly divisible by the numbers means LCM we have to find out for that. Okay? We have to find out LCM for these problems. See, this is the question I have given to you. Yes, find out the LCM in division method for this, or else prime factorization. Anyone, which one is easy for you? Division method is easy or prime factorization method? Which method is easy for you? Kaushik? Do that. At least do that. I'll do like this division method. You do in that manner. And both will get same answer or not, we'll check. Okay? 14, 21, 24, 42. These are the numbers, Nana. You find out LCM for this. 14, 21, 24 and 42. 14, 21. Can you able to watch the screen clearly? Clear only, na? 14, 21, 24, 42. Your voice is coming nicely only. Late ga em ravatledu. Okay, don't escape like that. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే అట్లా ఎస్కేప్ చేస్తావా నువ్వు? Okay, resound will come. Sometimes app will be like that only. Signal problem, network problem, nothing will happen. We have to do that's it. Okay, we'll get like this. 7 1s are 7 3s are 12, 7 3s are. In prime factorization method you are doing, is it correct? You are doing in that only? LCM only, na? 168 I got for this. In prime factorization method I am doing, see, 2 into 7 we can write 14 as, and 21 as we can write as 3 into 7. Yes. And 24 we can write as 2 into 3. Yes. 12 into 2 into 3 we can write. 8 3 is a 24. Yes. 42 I am writing as 2 into 2. 2 into 3, 6 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7, Nana. And maximum number of times 2 here we got 3 times. And 7 one time. 3 one time. Yes. That much only, na? Yes. 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How much we'll get? 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 56 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 168. Same we got in both the cases. So what is the least number which is exactly divisible by these all numbers is 168. Okay, na? LCM we have to find like this. And the next one, next question I want to give you now. Second one is, here find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36. And 36 leaves a remainder. I'm in WhatsApp. Leaves a remainder 7. See now. Okay, is it clear? Find out the LCM for these all, and then which leaves a remainder 7. That finally will get one answer. LCM. Okay, find a least number which is divided by least number divided by these. Leaves a remainder 7. This is the question. Find a least number divided by 12, 16, 24, 36. Find the LCM and say answer. I am not doing now. You only do. Do this. With two table you can do first. Say the answer. You say I am writing here. You say by seeing the screen. Screen clear only na? Say now. How many times? 12, 16, 24, 36. Okay. Say now. Screen me choose cheppu nana. How many times 2 is divisible by 12? 12 is divisible by 2. How many times? 12 is how many times 2 divides 12? 6 times. Yes. Next. 2 8 ja. Very good. Not 13, 18. 18 ja. 2 8 in the 18 ja 36. Okay na? Because 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder, 16 kada. 2 8 ja. 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder, 1 you keep here, 2 8 ja 36. Next 2 table. 2 3s are very good. 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 9s are. Okay na? Very good. Next with 3 table we can do. Okay, very good. 3 as it is you write. 2 2s are 9 as it is you write. Okay. Next with 3 table we can do. 3 are divisible. 3 are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 2 as it is you write. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Okay. This much is enough. All prime factors we got. Yes. And 2 into 2 into 2. 8 3s are 24. 24 into 2. 48. Yes. 48 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 4. 144 is the answer. This is LCM Nana. But what is telling? By dividing this, leaves a remainder 7. So required number is equals to. We have to add that one to this Nana. 144 plus 7. Remainder should be there. So why? Because of that we have to add. 7 plus 4 11. 151 is the answer. Yes. By adding this. So required number what they are asking is 151 Nana. So as it is ilanti problem next problem unnadi. I am presenting the screen. See now I am presenting the screen. Yes. Now can you able to watch the screen? Next one is sixth one. Whatever they have given, sixth one I am copying that one. That question I am copying now. Find the least number which is, find the least number which when divided by 12, 15, 20 and 54 leaves a remainder 8. Same, you have to find LCM, then add 8 to that, we'll get the answer. Yes, as it is. Can you do this, Nana, now? Can you try to do? Now we did same as it is, like that only you have to do. Try to do now. That one you have to do. Yes. Stop presenting. See, this one you try to do like that. I am doing prime factorization. You do like that. Division method you do in this manner. 12, 15, 20, 54. You copy that. 12, 15, 15, 2 into 3 into. Okay, I don't do. You only do. 12, 15, 20, 54. Okay, now? Auntie, 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. What you 54 also you copied 12, 15, 20. Yes. Division method or prime factorization you are doing. Yes. Okay. 3 into 5 is 15. Okay. For 20 you say? For 20. Yes. 2 into 2 into 5. Very good. 54. Mm. 2 into 27 kada. First to 27 again we can write as 3 into 3 into 3. 2. 2 3. 6 కాదు 2 into 9. 9 again we can write as 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes. So that 3 maximum number of times 3 ఉంది కదా. So 3 6 3s like that you have to take. Okay na 6 అని కాకుండా 2 separately you have to write. These 3 numbers you consider. Okay, maximum number of times 3 times ఉంది కాబట్టి we have to take 3 times and here 2 times maximum year and year. So anyone you can consider, that one you have to take, and one time only 5. Anyway, year also one time, year also one time, that 5 also you consider. So finally we'll get 540 by multiplying that 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 5 3s are 15. Yes, 36 into 15 we have to do. 15 6 are 90, 9 here carrying I am and 0 I am keeping here. 15 3s are 45 plus 9 54. Total answer is 540 will get. And required number we have to add remainder 8 kada. Required number is equals to, we have to add 8 to this. 540 plus 8 is equals to 548. Okay? Is it okay for you?